Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to uh, draw the column wind, the column and to resist wind load. So we want to go to the robot, to the XZ view, and now we must display the grids from here. Structural axis, we press apply, and we want now to define the axis to draw the column wind. So we go to here, we want to put each 2 meter column axis, the column wind. So we put here 2, add, then 4, add, 6, add, we press apply. Sorry, here we want to put the first here after 2 meter, the second must be after 6, then 8, then 10, sorry. Okay, then apply. Yes, this is the column, first column, second column, third column. And also we want to put a beams to connect this column between us. So we want also to define a axis and the Z direction. We must put 3, then 9. Yes, apply. Okay. We close now the windows and we go to begin drawing. Now we choose a W section to draw the columns. Okay, if we show this, okay, from here to here, from here to here. Okay, now we close this, and first of all we select these columns, we go to geometry, release, okay, fixed pen. Also the direction of these columns must be in the other direction because to resist the wind load. So we select them and we go to here, gamma, we put 90, yes, exactly. Now we must put the support fixed because these columns must resist wind loads. Now we want to do mirror for edit vertical mirror. Okay, of course. Now we select them and we go to edit, draw them on the other side. Now we want to group them, put them in one group, so we select them again, we go to group, new folder, wind column. Now we return to the exit view, and also we must before check the local access system. Okay, it is the same. For this we must do here edit the local access to put them like this, so we select them, must select this, and this, and we go to geometry properties, local bar direction, all selected bar, and we press apply. Okay, now we have added the local access of the bars. Okay, now we return to exit view. We must let's okay. Now we want to draw the beams. We choose here the connection beams for the column wind from here to here, and also from here to here, from here to here. Now this is the principal door for this structure, so we put the beam here, here to here. Okay. Now we want to go to release this beam, spin pin, apply, right click previous selection, edit, move from here to here. Okay, now we go to here, select them to create a group for them. We can name it them wind beams, enter, and now we have drawing the column wind, and we draw the connection beams for these columns.